Yes, tell me what is the answer to this one? Torture and cruelty. Now it comes under verbal analogies. Now these two are synonyms to each other. And in the same way, forgiveness and generosity means the same. That is choice 2, question number 1. Then in question number 2, and JK. K and J, what is the difference? -1. J and M plus 3. M and L -1. -1 plus 3 -1. Here again, -1 plus 3 -1. Here -1 plus 3 -1. Here -1 అవుతుందా, +1 అవుతుంది. Hence this is the odd one. Question number 2, it is choice 4. Then coming to question number 3. Now in this one, D, tell me how to represent this one. DE, next one DEF, DEFG, and again DEF and so on. Then what is the term that is missing here? EDGE, EDGE edge, that is choice 2. Then next one, question number 4, 5, 9, 17. 5 and 9 can be written as 5 into 2 minus 1, 9. 9 into 2 minus 1, 17. 17 into 2 minus 1 is 33. And 33 into 2, 66 minus 1 is 65. Now 65 into 2 minus 1, 129 into 2 minus 1. And those 9 into 2, 8 minus 1 is 7. The last digit is 7. Choice 2, question number 4. Then coming to question number 5. Now in this one, crocodile, snake, frog, and a crab. Yes, Chepan, what is your answer here? Crab. Why it is crab? Remaining 3 are crocodile, snake, and except snake. The remaining 3 comes under the one category. And now snake is a reptile. And crocodile, frog, and crab, are the reptiles here? No. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 2 is the answer. William Mitchell Japan. Now, question number 5. Crab is? Crab is here. Crab in Japan. Enduku crab? The remaining 3 are vertebrates. Crab is? Crab is not a vertebrate. Choice 4. The next one, question number 6. Now 444 and 12. Amit, everyone chesara? Now 444 and 12, there is no answer to this one at all. Amit, manaki ravatledu idi. Now 441 ila ichinappudu manaki em undali cheppandi, we need to give at least one more number. 555 or 66, that analogy should be given. Ikkada analogy akkade ivvaledu. And see here, ikkada manaku uste number enta ravali cheppandi, only even number should be there. And 24 is one such number. ఇంకే విధంగా చూసుకున్న 24 తప్పించి వేరే నెంబర్ వచ్చే ఛాన్సే లేదు. వెదర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఆర్ ఎ క్యూబ్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ అండ్ ఈవెన్ 4 into 4 into 4 అంటే మనకి ఏం వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 4 cube. నా 4 cube తీసుకుంటే ఆ విధంగానే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చే టైప్ ఉండాలి. నా ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ ఆల్సో 4 cube 64, దట్ ఈస్ 6 + 4 + 2 తీసుకోవచ్చు. అలా తీసుకుంటే 8 cube ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 5 and 2. 5 and 2, వాట్ ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్? 8 + 2 10. అది కూడా లేదు మనకి. Hence, in none of the cases you are getting the answer. We need to have some more information regarding this one. Question number 6. Meeku evarikaina answer vachinda? 6th one. Then coming to question number 7. Now in this 7, K and M, what is the difference we have? +2. And +2 + 2 + 2 plus Q + 2 is S. D and H, 4 + 4 + 4 + 4. And P + 4 is T, ST. A and G, 1 and 7 + 6 + 6 + 6. 19 + 6 is 25. And ST5, choice 3, question number 7. The next one, Mani introduces Rishi as. Now this Rishi is the husband of the only granddaughter of his mother. His mother means Mani's mother's grandfather. Mani's mother's granddaughter, only granddaughter. Mani's mother's only granddaughter's husband. Who is that person? Rishi. Now this Rishi is the husband of whom? Mani's mother's only granddaughter. That means how is this Rishi related to Mani here? And son-in-law. And son-in-law, that is choice 4, question number 8. The next 9th one. The 9th one, vice president, president, and so on. Meaningful order, if you observe here, First one, the highest in the hierarchy. Now the first one is president, vice president, then next one is the prime minister, speaker, and finally the member of the parliament. 2, 1, 4, 3, 5, choice for question number 9. Then coming to 10th one, 8th February 2020, Saturday, and 1st February 2016 is on which day? Now first we need to find out 8th Feb 2020. 8th Feb 2020 is Saturday and icham. Then we need to find out 1st February 2016. And prior to this one, dates were different. Dates different unnai, years different unnai. Hence first we need to find out 1st February 2016. Now 1st February 2016 was on which day? Adi kada మనం find out cheyavalsindi. Now in these two, if you have 1st February, but whereas మనం first check చేసుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటి 1st February 2020. That means in the same year we need to find out this date, 1st Feb 2020. Now how many days were there in between these two? 7 days. And 7 days we are going backwards. 7 days means the same day. Hence 1st February 2020 is again on Saturday. Clear? But as we need to have 1st February 2016, hence 1st Feb 2016, and that is on which day? Now if you observe here 1st Feb and 1st Feb 2020 and 2016, how many years were there? 4 years. Now during these 4 years, how many leap years are there? Any leap years unna cheppandi? 2020 leap year and again 2016 is also leap year. Mari any leap years unnai? Now we need to take only one leap year. Enduku cheppandi? In the year 2020, we are not taking 29th February in 2020. We are starting from 1st February and again we are going backwards. And so many years? 4 years. Now in these 4 years, there is one leap year and 3 non-leap years. One leap year you will have 2 odd days, 3 non-leap year you will have 3 into 1, 3 days. And so altogether how many odd days we have? 5 odd days. As you are moving backwards, 5 days back to Saturday. 5 days back to Saturday means 2 days forward. That is Sunday, Monday. Monday is answer choice 2. Done with this? Question number 10. It is Monday, choice 2 is the answer. The next one, question number 11. AEDM. And at the same time ZQRN, ZQ, R and N. And FLMO, then what's the next one? FLMO, and the next one is what? Now A and N. What is the relation between A and Z? A and Z are opposite. Then E and Q, they are not opposite. D and R are not opposite. Hence opposite is ruled out. Then if you take minus, A and Z minus 1, and E and Q, there is a huge difference of plus 12. There is no relation in this one as well. Then A and N, how are these two letters related to each other? A and N. మనం corresponding pairs చెప్పుకున్నాం, first half and second half. Now what is the value of A1? N is 14, difference is how much? 13. And E is 5, R is 18, 5 plus 13 is 18. D is 4, 4 plus 13, 17th letter is Q. M is 13 plus 13, Z. That means corresponding pairs are first half and second half. First half and second half pairs. Or else the difference between the letters is 13. In the reverse order, F is 13. What is the value of F? 6. 6 plus 13, 19th letter is S. The value of L is 12. 12 plus 13, 25th letter is Y. M is 13. 13 plus 13, 26th letter is Z. O is 15. 15 plus 13, 28. 28th letter is B. What is your answer here? And B, Z, Y, S, choice 1, question number 11. Corresponding pairs written in the reverse order. Or the difference between the letters is plus 13, plus 13, plus 13 in the reverse order. Then question number 12. Now in this 12th one, what are the symbols we need to interchange? First, let us go through the choices here, into and division. Now if you interchange these two, into and division, then 6 divided by how much? 6 divided by 17 into 51 అని వచ్చింది. అవునా కదండి? First if you interchange these two, into and division, are you getting the answer or not? And 6 divided by 17 into 15 ఎలా రాస్తాం చెప్పండి? 6 by 17 into 15. Next plus, and plus 6 minus 12. Now 17 1, 17 3. 3 into 6, 18. 18 plus 6 is how much? 24. 24 minus 12 is again 12. And so what is your answer? Choice 1. And if you interchange the symbols that were given in choice 1, you will get 12. Then 13th one. Now in this question number 13, now the word is cages and its code is NADYB. NADY and B. Then in the same way, and how is the word water coded in this one? Any answer to this one? How is the water coded? How is the water coded in this? Then C and C and D and C and N. What is the relation between these two, C and N? Now C ki N ki manaki difference chudandi 3 and 14 plus 11. A and A remain the same. G and D difference is -3. There is no particular pattern following in the differences. Hence C minus 1, B, A minus 2, Y minus 1, minus 2, and C minus 1, B, A minus 2 is Y, and G minus 3 is what? D, and here E minus 4 is A, and S minus 5, 19 minus 5 is 14 is N. B by DAN. Now B by DAN written in the reverse order. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, they were written in the reverse order. W minus 1, V, A minus 2, Y, and T minus 3, Q, E minus 4, A, R minus 5, 18 minus 5, 13, MAQ, YV. MAQ, YV, choice 1, question number 13. The next one, 14th one. Now in this 14, tell me how many of you got the answer here, 14th one? 14 chesara? Em vastundi answer? And a man is facing towards east. Now this is the starting point of this man from here, and this person who is facing towards east turned towards north and traveled for how many kilometers? 5 kilometers. And then turned 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, it pakkana anti-clockwise, it tirigite 90, another 90, 180 plus 90, 270. That means this person is facing towards east. And he walks how many kilometers? And the travel chesadu 12 kilometers more. 12 kilometers more and 10 చెప్పండి 12 kilometers more than the actual one. Clear? ఇక్కడ వర్డ్ మోర్ అనే వర్డ్ ఉండకూడదు. అండ్ మోర్ అంటే ఏం చెప్పండి, ఎంతో ముందు ట్రావెల్ చేసుకున్నా 12 ఎక్కువ, లేకపోతే ఇంకో 12 కిలోమీటర్లు వెళ్ళాను, అది మనకు తెలియదు. అండ్ సో ప్లీజ్ రిమూవ్ దిస్ వర్డ్ మోర్. ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ దిస్ వర్డ్ మోర్ అండ్ యూ విల్ నాట్ గెట్ ద ఆన్సర్. అప్పుడు ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 17 square plus 5 square, and you will not get the answer at all. 17, 289 plus 29, 5, and 300 and odd వస్తుంది. Hence it must be 12. Remove this more, then 5 square plus 12 square. What is the answer we have? 13. 13, that is given in choice 2. Then coming to question number 15, 19 and 7 you are getting 312. Tell me how are you getting this one? 19. 19 and 7. 19, what is 19 square? 361. And 7 square, 49. Now the difference between these two, 312. That means sum of the square and difference between the squares of these two numbers. 23 square, 529. And 9 square is how much? 81. Now the difference between these two is how much? 448. Then what is the value of 31? 31 square is how much? 961. 11 square, 121. Now the difference between these two is how much? 840. And 840, and it is given in choice for question number 15. Then 16th one. Now in this 16, in the following question from the given alternative, select the word which cannot be formed. FAIR can be formed. Folic, FOLIC, yes, it can be formed. Afraid, AFR, AID. D is not there here, and this word cannot be formed. 16, that is choice 3. Then 17th one. Now in this 17, answer no, fourth option. Why is fourth option? 4 into 6. The product of these two digits is the number 24. 8 into 12. 8 into 12 ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? Then and 4. 11 into 4, 44. And 8 into 12 into how much? 12 into 4, 48. And 24. Then 12 and 4. 24. 4 into 6. Here 4 into 11. And 2 into 24. ఇక్కడ 48 రావాలి. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఆన్సర్ వస్తుందా? సేమ్ ప్యాటర్న్ మనకు రావాలి. 8 and 4 into 11, 44. 8 into 12, how much is the number here? 8 into 12, 96 రావాలి. Then what is the pattern we have followed here? No digit. Now 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 8 is how much? 12. 4 plus 4 ఎంత అవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 8. 7 plus 2 ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? 9 రావాలి. అలా వస్తుందా? as 4 is multiplied with, and 6 4s are 24, and 12 4s are 48, 11 4s are 44, yeah, 24 into 4, it must be 96. And first number divided by 4 is the second number. And similarly 48 divided by 4, 44 divided by 4, and 72 divided by 4, hence choice for 17. Then next one, 18th one, 20 and P. Major 20 and P, and P stands for what? Now this P stands for addition, 20 plus 150, and Q stands for division, 150 divided by 3, and R stands for what? R stands for multiplication, that is 2, and S stands for what? And S is subtraction, and subtraction 50. Then here 150 divided by 3, how much is that? 50. Now 50 into 2, 100. 100 plus 20, 120, minus 50, 70, that is choice 2, question number 18. Then 19th one, Andhra Pradesh is related to black buck, and in the same way Sikkim is related to what? A red panda. State animal. And next one, Amajeshari, 24 and 96. How will you get this 24 with the help of these two sections? Now here if you take these two numbers, 96 minus 69. What is the difference between these two? 96 minus 69. Vastunda leda? 96 minus 69. And what is the difference we have? 69 means 27. And next one, 38, 27. 27 is the difference. And next one, 45. Now 83 minus 38. 83 minus 38, ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి difference? 83 and minus. Now here, ఇక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్ తేడా పడింది చూడండి. ఇక్కడ 27 ఉండాలి. మన బుక్లో అదే ఉంది. Clear? In the paper it is 27. Hence, here 83 and minus 38. What is the number we have? 45. That means, now these two numbers is subtracted from the reverse of this number. 96 minus 69, 83 minus 38, and here again. And here again 18. 18 ఇక్కడ రావాలంటే మనకి ఎంత ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? What should the number we have? Now here the difference between these two numbers is how much? And 49 పెట్టాను. 49 minus 94 అవుతుందా? It is not 18. And 46 minus 64, it is 18. Choice 2 is the answer. 46 minus 64. And the difference between these two numbers is 18. Choice 2. Question number 20. Then 21st. Now in this 21, the sequence of folding a paper is given. Now here after folding this, now these are there. ఈ 4 circles మళ్ళీ మనకి ఇక్కడ as it is గా రావాలా లేదా? Now these 4 circles must be present here. Now this square ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది? Now this square should come to this place. Now this triangle will be at this place. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా? అండ్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మనకు ఫోల్డ్ అయింది కాబట్టి దీస్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ విల్ బి రిపీటెడ్. ఈ 4 circles ఇలా వస్తాయి, ఈ 4 circles ఇలా వస్తాయి. డన్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్వర్డ్స్ ఈ రెండు దిస్ స్క్వేర్ విల్ బి యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్, అండ్ ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్ మనకి ఏమవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? ట్రయాంగిల్ మనకి రివర్స్ అవ్వాలి. Now this triangle must be reversed, and this is the square. And so what is your answer here? Choice 2 is the answer. Now this is about question number 21. Then 22nd. Now in this 22, what is the answer we have for this 22? And select the figure among the given, can replace the question mark on it. Replacing the question mark, that means it comes in which way, which series here? And series. Now series lo manaki next time vastundi. Now if you check out this element, now this is moved to this one, that means one side in the clockwise. Ikkada nunchi next malli ikkadiki vachindi, one side in the clockwise. Next we need to have the same element at this place in the answer figure. Answer figure lo ela undali. And at the same time answer figure ఎలా మారుతుంది చెప్పండి? ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇంటర్నల్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మళ్ళీ మారుతున్నాయి. ఈ షేడెడ్ రీజన్ ఇది పైకి వెళ్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి ఎట్ ద బాటమ్. అండ్ ఎట్ ద బాటమ్ మనకి ఇచ్చిన చాయిసెస్లో బాటమ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది చెప్పండి? అండ్ బాటమ్ వుడ్ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ దిస్ వన్. ఇక్కడ మనకి బాటమ్, ఇక్కడ మనకి బాటమ్. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? హెన్స్ దీస్ టూ. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ వన్. నౌ దిస్ ఎలిమెంట్ moved by, shifted by one side in the anti-clockwise. Again this place. Again it must be at this place. Ikkada undali. Now this shaded region. Paina undi ippudemo bottom. Ippudu paina undi next shaded region must be at the bottom. ఈ రెండు చాయిసెస్లో షేడెడ్ రీజన్ అట్ ద బాటమ్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ ఇన్ చాయిస్ 2. Done with this? 22nd, choice 2 is the answer. Then coming to this 23, now we need to represent the elements. Then how to represent this one? Women, mothers, in-law and housewives. Now both mother-in-law and housewife, these two are what? These two are women, isn't it? And so mothers, mother-in-laws and a housewife, these two, some of the mother-in-laws are housewife and some housewives are mother-in-laws. And these two persons belongs to a category called women. And so what is your answer here? Choice 1, question number 23. Done with this? Then coming to this 24. On 24, how many triangles you have in this? 12. Then 12 ఎలా వస్తుంది? Now if you first check out this one, ఇది మనం చూసుకుంటే, now this is nothing but a triangle, two different triangles. 1 + 2 and the total one that will be 3. కనుక ఇందులో 3 ఉంటాయి. సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డివిజన్ ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఉంది 2. సరిపోయిందండి, అందులో 3 ఉంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఇది చూడండి, దీంట్లో కూడా సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ డివిజన్ మధ్యలో ఉంది. అక్కడ 3 ఉంది. దట్ మీన్స్ 3 triangles of, and again the biggest one is ఒకటి. Hence all together there are some 4 triangles of this one. Hence 3 into 4, that is 12, choice 2. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా? 12. Then coming to question number 25. Now in this 25, tell me which is opposite to J అన్నాడు. Jకి ఆపోజిట్ ఉండాలి. Jకి ఆపోజిట్ ఉంటే E ఎక్కడ ఉంది? Isn't it? And Eకి H and I ఉంది, and Eకి J and G ఉంది. Isn't it? Eకి ఏవేవి పక్క పక్కన ఉన్నాయి చెప్పండి. నో ఈకి పక్క పక్కన ఉన్నవంటి HI ఉంది and JG ఉంది. E cannot be opposite to E. And so what is opposite to E? The remaining element. F ఏదో ఉంది ఇక్కడ. F మనకి E and F are opposite to each other. కానీ మనకి ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి? J ఉంది. అండ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి E కామన్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి Eకి ఐడెంటిఫై చేసాం. బట్ as the question is not regarding this E, now we need to identify for this J. అండ్ Jకి ఆపోజిట్ ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? నా J ఇక్కడ పైకి వచ్చింది. J పైకి వచ్చిందంటే ఎక్కడున్న J పైకి వచ్చింది. నా E ఇలా తిరిగింది అనుకోండి. E ఇక్కడే కదా ఉంది. కనుక ఈ ఫిగర్ని నేను ఇలా తిప్పా. ఈ ఫిగర్ని తిప్పితే E ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది. ఫైన్. J వచ్చిందంటే ఇంతకుముందు J ఇక్కడ ఉన్నది పైకి వచ్చింది. సరిపోయిందా? మరి I ఏమైపోవాలి? I యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఉండాలి. ఇలా ఉండవలసిన I ఇలా ఉండాలి మరి. కానీ అక్కడ ఉందా? లేదు. లేదంటే ఈ విధంగా అయితే తిరగలేదు. మరి ఎలా తిప్పారు? నౌ సార్, ఫస్ట్ ఇటు పక్క తిప్పారు, E వచ్చింది. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇటు పక్క తిప్పారు. క్లియర్? ఇక్కడ E వచ్చిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఇప్పుడు I ఏమైపోయింది? I ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది అండ్ H ఇటు పక్క వెళ్తుంది. అవునా కదా? ఆల్ దీస్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. కనుక I ఈజ్ హియర్, H ఈజ్ హియర్. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి తిప్పినప్పుడు I ఇటు పక్క వెళ్ళిపోయింది, H ఇటు పక్క వెళ్ళిపోయింది. అండ్ విచ్ టు ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. అప్పుడు J పైకి వచ్చింది. J పైకి వచ్చిందంటే విచ్ టు ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్? J అండ్ I ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్. మరి సరిపోయిందా? ఫస్ట్ దిస్ సైడ్ అండ్ క్లాక్ వైజ్, నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ మూమెంట్. ఆ రెండు మూమెంట్స్ తీసుకుంటే దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ H అండ్ J, దే ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ టు ఈచ్ అదర్.